Hi, I'm Matt, and thanks for taking a few minutes to learn a little more about Clarios. Today, I wanted to show how we turn your AI platforms like Claude or ChatGPT into tailored AI assistants that help your firm identify opportunities, run outreach, produce content, and more. Think about it. Every, hey, can you draft a quick email? Or, hey, can you help me edit this slide? Can be 5, 15, 30 minutes or more that you're not going to get back. So, across a team of, say, 3 people, that can be 20 plus hours a week sort of spent on these micro tasks. So, what if you could get that time back? And with the Clarios AI helper, you can. Let me show you a little bit about how we do that. Down here on the right is the AI assistant. You can think of it as Claude or ChatGPT that already knows everything about your firm. But we're trying to go a step further. We're building the prompts and the inputs and doing the context engineering that asset managers actually need. The Clarios AI helper is built around supporting outreach, like quickly referencing key messaging or producing case studies or DDQ materials, etc. It's also trying to help you manage opportunities by allowing you to keep tabs on your watch list or find best fit opportunities or quickly act on active or newly identified RFPs, which is what I want to dive into in a little more detail. So here's an example of the platform picking up a new RFP since the last time I logged in, and it's surfacing to me all of the information that I need to know, right? A quick snapshot plus some scoring. You can watch another video to get a little more detail on how we do that. And it's giving me everything I need and allowing me to dive a step deeper if I want to do that. But in this particular case, I want to stay in the chat and do a quick displacement analysis. And so that's running. And because the chat has access to our knowledge base, it knows our positioning, our performance data, our messaging, etc. So it's giving me approved language, compliance guardrails, it knows our tone and voice, and more. So when you ask it to draft the displacement analysis, it's not giving me a generic output. It's referencing current fund data, it's using our positioning, it's staying within compliance bounds and more. So I think of it as having a junior analyst or a junior sales team member who already knows our entire playbook. This is about AI tuning and pre-prompting that based on workflows that we've seen asset managers run hundreds of times. It's just now templated, optimized, and ready to use. It also works with open-ended queries. So let's say that a PM is going on a podcast, or the head of investments is going on CNBC. You can drop the questions in this example and get an on-brand strategic response immediately, right? The old way is potentially hours of work depending on the task, drafting, making sure you hit the right points, going back and forth, checking compliance language, etc. The new way is paste the notes into the AI helper, and 30 seconds later you have a draft that's using the right messaging, understands the mandate, is compliance safe, captures your product, understands your unique perspective, all here and ready to go. Come in, review it, send it, move on, right? That's the daily utility. It's about these small time savings, right? 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there can add up really fast and compound, over time. Across your team, we're talking about dozens of microtasks every day. And in that case, you're recovering hours every week. And those hours, more importantly, are going back to what really matters: relationships, strategy, performance. So if you're already paying for a business or an enterprise LLM, Clarios can make it smarter. And if you're using AI without a shared knowledge base, Clarios can help everyone get on the same page. Either way, Clarios can help you get more out of your AI. Thanks for watching.